Rihanna girl.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
Alright, so we have a package. Your girl got a Fenty Hair package. Who am I even to get a Fenty Hair PR package? Like, what? Rihanna girl. Okay, so let's just open it. It's so heavy. So, look at her. All right. So this is a little like magazine spread. Rihanna all on the back. We got some hairstyles. And then this is just like a brochure of everything that comes in it, but we want to actually see the products first. So let's open it. Okay, the shampoo smells good. Some got on my hand when I was opening it, but it smells like very salon fresh. This is the moisturizing repair shampoo or moisture repair shampoo. Okay, I need to go wash my hands. So this package opens up like this. So it's like a product on each side of these boxes. So I just did the shampoo and now I'm gonna do the next one. This is the edge control. This is the sensory top. I love the sensory top. That is so cool. So let's see. Still has the plastic on it. Oh wait, I can take this off. So that's what the edge control looks like. That also smells amazing. So in addition to the edge control, she also has a stronghold gel. Let's see. So this is clear. Unlike the edge control, it had like a little brownish tint, but this one is clear. Oh, it has a little tint to it. That's what the stronghold gel. Oh, everything smells so good. Everything smells so good. Okay, I cannot wait to use this. And like I said before, everything has this little sensory top on it so you can like feel. I love that. What's next? What's next? So this is the moisture repair conditioner. This is similar to the shampoo. Oh, it smells so good. Everything smells the same, but it just smells so good. So I keep smelling everything. But this is the conditioner. Loaded with moisture to defrizz, repair, prevent damage, and split ends. All right, so then we have the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So this was just the regular conditioner. Now we have the deep conditioner, and I'm sure it smells lovely just like everything else. It does. Ooh, that has a little different smell. That smells like yum. So the regular conditioner said the rich one, and then the deep conditioner says the richer one. We know our girl is rich. The gift that keeps on giving. There's so much stuff in here. This is the curl defining cream. I don't think I would need to use this because I don't really wear my natural curls, but this says shiny define moisturized curls that stand up to humidity. So if you are into your natural curls and you need a good curl cream, Fenty Hair gotcha. So then we have the 5-in-1 heat protectant. Let's see, is this like a kind of an oil? Oh no, it's like a cream. 5-in-1 leave-in for every style, smooth, tangle, defrizz, hydrate, 450-degree heat protection. We have the instant damage repair kit. Let's see what this does. Repairs, reduce breakage, conditions for smoother, shinier, healthier looking styles. Okay, so yeah, you apply, you leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you rinse it out, which I would probably be using that this weekend. I'm really excited about it. And there's one more thing left. I saw it, maybe it's on the other side of one of these boxes. She also gave us this, what's this called? The side stick. It's an edge control styling tool. How cute is that? Like it has a little, she just thought of everything. So yeah, your girl got some Fenty PR and I'm super, super excited. I cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna use it this weekend and then I will come back with my review of how it made my hair feel, how it made my hair look. I know I need my ends trimmed, so I kind of want to get my hair done first, but I'm just too excited to try it, so I'm gonna try it anyway. But yeah, your girl got Fenty PR and I'm super, super excited, so stay tuned for my So I did it. I washed my hair with the Fenty Hair line and let me give you my thoughts. So I started off with the shampoo, which is called the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. And for me, this was really a trust the process moment. I was not blown away right away. I was like, what is going on? I felt like, you know how sometimes when you wash your hair, you can immediately tell like the shampoo is making your hair soft. I did not get that with this. I felt like when I put the shampoo in my hair and was like trying to scrub it in my hair, like my hair was getting matted as I put the shampoo in my hair. Like I didn't get that, ooh, this is soft feeling. So I was a little disappointed with this, although it did lather well. I said it lathers well, but I don't like that like matted feeling when I'm washing my hair. Like I want to feel the softness in the shampoo, and I didn't get that with the Fenty Hair shampoo. Now, I did use the conditioner. I thought like, okay, let me use the conditioner. The conditioner may soften it up a little bit. So she has the moisture repair conditioner, the Rich One, and then she has the deep conditioner, which is called the Richer One. I didn't use the Rich One. I used the Richer One, the deep conditioner, because I'm just like, why not? My hair can always use deep conditioning. And it didn't soften up as much as I thought it would. It did a little bit, but it didn't soften up after using this after using the shampoo as much as I thought it would. Now, one thing I will say, homegirl does not miss when it comes to fragrances. Like it smells really, really good. Like it smells good, clean, fresh, all the things you would want for a conditioner or shampoo to smell like, but it didn't soften as much as I thought it would. But I'm still trusting the process. I'm like, you know what? Yasmin, stick with it because I have faith in Rihanna. I want to have faith in her that these products really work. So then after that, I moved on. I towel dried my hair. After towel drying my hair, I went to the heat protectant styler. This softened my hair up a lot. Now, I will say when it comes to heat protectant, I prefer a spray. This is a cream. And I was worried about the cream making my hair too heavy or making my hair too oily before blow drying. So I only used a tiny amount. But it did soften my hair up. So after I put this on my hair, softened my hair, blow dried it, I could feel the softness in my hair. So I'm like, okay, maybe the shampoo conditioner did something I don't know about, but the heat protectant did soften it up. And then once I blow dried it, straightened it, this is my end result. My hair does feel lightweight. It feels clean, obviously, but I like how lightweight it feels. It doesn't feel like it weighed my hair down. I don't think the heat protectant weighed my hair down. I don't think it made it oily in any type of way. I went in with the edge control. So I did this yesterday, but I didn't put on any edge control today. But I went in with the edge control, which I like. I do like the edge control. I do think it gives like a really strong hold. And I used the little edge stick that she gave us for the edge control, which is super, super convenient. I like this. Like when I do my edges, I don't really use like an edge brush, but maybe I should start. But yeah, this was good. I do like the edge control. I will say, like, I'm gonna try it again and see if I have the same experience. But so far, I do like the end result. I think I like the end result more than I like the process, which I think the end result is more important. But I do like the end result. The process, not so much. I don't like the lack of softness in the shampoo and the conditioner. So I will have to try that again. It could be my hair type. It could be that, you know, it's just not for my hair. But I do like the end result. So it's weird. It's weird. Like, I love how it makes my hair look and feel. I just don't like how it makes my hair look and feel in the process. So that is my review of Fenty Hair. There's still the gel and the curl cream that I haven't tried. I don't really think I personally have a reason to use the curl cream, but when I'm doing my slick back buns, I will probably use the gel and the edge control to like slick it back. So I do love that edge control. That's the one thing I can suggest out of this is the edge control. Get that. I love it. Like, it did my edges wonderful yesterday. Sadly, I didn't wrap my hair last night. I just kind of fell asleep. I fell asleep editing, actually. Fell asleep with the phone in my hand editing. So I didn't even wrap my hair last night. But that's my review of the Fenty Hair. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I think I'm about to order Sacred because now I really do want to compare. I did not order Sacred initially when it came out, but now I think I want to try it. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to order Sacred and then see how I like the difference in the two. But thank you for watching. Bye.